TypeError, only integer scalar arrays can be converted to a scalar index with 1D numpy indices array. I want to write a function that randomly picks elements from a training set, based on the bin probabilities provided. I divide the set indices to 11 bins, then create custom probabilities for them. I get the following error. I find this weird, since I already checked the array of indices that I have created. It is 1D, it is integer, and it is scalar. What am I missing? Note, I tried to pass indices with a type int. Same error.
Perhaps the error message is somewhat misleading, but the gist is that x_train is a list, not a numpy array. You cannot use array indexing on it. Make it an array first.
I get this error whenever I use np.concatenate the wrong way. The correct way is to input the two arrays as a tuple.
A simple case that generates this error message. Some variations that work. Basic Python list indexing is more restrictive than numpy's. Edit. Looking again at indices is a 1D array of integers, but it certainly isn't scalar. It's an array of 50,000 integers. Lists cannot be indexed with multiple indices at once, regardless of whether they are in a list or array.
Another case that could cause this error is using the actual shape will fix it.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.